Good morning, dear children. Let us continue. The numericals we can do. Here one question. Find C at equilibrium Y when Y is equal to 6000 and C is equal to 100 plus 0.75 Y. We have to find out consumption expenditure. Okay. So our question is consumption expenditure. So we should write formula for consumption expenditure C dash plus B Y. Then go through the question. Here they have given level of at equilibrium Y. Then Y is equal to 6000. Right? Then what and all given? C is equal to, this part they have given like this, 100 plus C is equal to 100 plus 0.75 Y. This is very easy. These and all given. You just substitute the value. We have to find out C. So C is equal to 100 plus 0.75 into Y is given 6000. Okay. First you solve this one. From there we are getting 4500 plus 100. So answer is 4600. From this lesson all the numerical very easily we can do. We have to keep it our mind all the formula. From there only we will get the answer. Okay. So here we have to find out consumption at equilibrium level of Y. So that means consumption equation we should know. Consumption equation we should know. Then we can substitute. Okay. Hello. Hello. A 0.75 into 6. What is the answer? Then decimal is there, na? You got. I am giving time. You just do that one. 100 plus 0.75 into 6000. First you have to solve this part. Board mass we know, na? Division, multiplication, subtraction. So first we have to do multiplication. So from there we are getting 4500. Clear? Yes. Can I move to next numerical? Okay. Next question. Here question is find equilibrium Y. Okay. Equilibrium level of Y we have to find it. Just not write the question. Find equilibrium Y when C is equal to 100 plus 0.5 Y and I is equal to 1000. So equilibrium Y we have to find out. So we should know the formulas. Y is equal to C plus S we know. Y is equal to C plus I we know. Which one we can take from the question? Here C and I are there. So we can use this equation. Okay. So we are writing Y is equal to C plus I. Because C is given and I is given, right? So C is 100 plus 0.5 Y, right? And I is equal, so this much is C. We are substituting this much is C. Then plus I. What is investment value? Investment value is 1000. Okay. Then how we can solve this one? Here y is equal to this much. So we can take this value here. So y minus 0.5 y. That is equal to 100 plus 1000. Till here, okay? You have to follow me. Okay? 1000 plus 100 will give 1100. So 0.5 y minus 0.5 y means what is the answer? 0.5 y. Y shows 1. So 1 minus 0.5 y. So that is 0.5 y. Right? Suppose y minus 0.8 y. What is the answer? 1 minus 0.8 y, like that you have to take. So that is equal to 0.2 y. Okay. Y minus 0.9 y. Answer is 0.1 y. Like this, y minus 0.5 y will get 0.5 y. That is equal to 1010. Okay. So, sorry, 1100. $1,100. Then y is equal to 1100 divided by 0.5. We are getting, okay, 2200. You just copy this one. How we got? First we have to substitute what and all they have given. Here we have to find out equilibrium level of income. We have y is equal to c plus s and c plus I. Which equilibrium equation we can take? That depends upon the question. Statement is given C and I. That's why we have taken y is equal to C plus I. Then substitute. Okay. Then I think you have noted. You just write the question, then final answer, only that much. While doing practice, you will get the answer. You are not getting means you can ask. Next one, find equilibrium S and equilibrium I. So we have to find out equilibrium level of S and I. That means S is equal to I. Okay, so our question, we have to find out saving and investment. But we should know S is equal to I. So we should get saving and investment value. Same value we will get. That also there. Okay, here what and all they have given. Income is 4,400 and MPC, that is B. B is equal to 0.75 and C dash is given. Okay. So how we can do this one? Any way you can find out, easy way. Here we have to find out S and I. Okay. We know y is equal to C plus I. Right? Y is equal to C plus I. Then one more we know y is equal to C plus S. So any formula you can take. Here from this, I am taking from this, you can use any equation. Here S is equal to y minus C. Okay. If you find out S, the same value you can give for investment also, because already they have given equilibrium S and equilibrium I. Otherwise you can use y is equal to C plus I. From there you can find out I. Anyway, C is given, right? C dash is given. See here y is equal to C plus S. C is equal to C dash plus B y. Y they have given, y is equal to how much? 4,400. 4,400. Y is given. C is giving like this. C dash is 100 plus B is MPC, marginal propensity to consume is B. B is 0.75. Okay. Then Y is given 4,400. So first you have to solve this one. Then we will get C is equal to 3,400. So 3,400 is C. Then substitute S is equal to Y minus C. That's why we are getting 4,400 minus S is equal to 4,400, that is income, minus what is our consumption, we will get from there. So answer is 1,000, right? So S is equal to 1,000. If you are not getting time, directly you can write here S is equal to I, that's why I also 1,000. Okay. Like this you can solve the sum. I think you understand. You just take the formula which is suitable for the question. Okay, that is very important. That you should know, then very easily you can solve. Next one, the same, I think same only, given that here S is equal to means saving function is given. That's why minus 25 plus 0.5y, and investment is given. Find equilibrium Y and equilibrium C. Here two questions, Y and C we have to find out. What and all they have given, S and I. So here we can use the formula S is equal to I. From here we can solve. S is given minus 25 plus 0.5y, right? 0.5y, that is equal to I is 5,000, right? We just substitute S is equal to I. Then from here, this we can keep it here, 0.5y is equal to 5,000. What will come? Minus 25. So minus 25 here will come plus 25. So 5,025 divided by 0.5. We will get, this is Y. Okay, this is Y. Y is equal to, then what we have to find out? S and I means equilibrium level of saving and equilibrium level of I. So either you can substitute Y in saving equation, or you can use C plus I formula, y is equal to C plus I, or y is equal to C plus S. Any way you can do that, and all your wish. You just substitute. Next, y is equal to, here they are taking y is equal to C plus S. From there we are getting C is equal to y minus S. Okay. Saving 5000 we got, from there substituting. Y is equal to C plus S. From there we can find out C is equal to y minus C. Y we got 10,050. Then S is, how we will get S? We have to substitute. So formula minus 25 plus, I think 0.5y minus 25 plus 0.5y into y. Okay, so here you have to give the value of y. Y is equal to, okay, first you solve this one. From there we are getting saving is equal to 5,000. Calculation and all you have to do. Saving is equal to 5,000. Then substitute. We are getting C y minus S. C, y is given, y we got and s we got. Substitute. While substituting we will get 5,050. Okay. So S is equal to next one, the same process I think you can do. You just write the question, given that C is equal to 400 plus 0.9y, that means consumption equation they have given, and I. Okay, so C and I is there, so by using C and Y we can use the formula y is equal to C plus I. Based upon the, depends upon the question, we can take out the formula. So here C and I are there, that is why we can take y is equal to C plus I. We have to find out equilibrium level of income. Okay, then S and C at equilibrium level of income. So first we have to find out equilibrium level of income. C is there, 400 plus 0.9y. Y. Okay, C. Then I is there, 4,000. You can write like this. Substitute the value C and I. Okay. This we can take LHS like this, 0. Plus 0.9y, that is minus 0.9y, that is equal to, okay. Then y minus 0.9y is equal to 0.1y, right? That we can write y. Y is equal to, we will get 44. Okay. That no need. y is equal to, one step I skipped, okay, 44,000. Then C at equilibrium. C at equilibrium means C dash plus by. Just substitute this value, we are getting C. C dash plus by. We have C dash, B is there, now we got y. Okay. So C is equal to, we will get 40,000. Then C we got. Then saving is equal to minus C dash. So that format you have to substitute income. Our income is 44,000. Let's say C minus C dash plus MP, what and all they have given, minus C dash plus 1 minus by. That is our saving equation. Okay. So MPC is given. So 1 minus MPC. What is the format of saving equation? Minus C dash plus 1 minus by. That is saving equation. Okay, 1 minus B shows MPS. So MPS into y minus C dash. While substituting these values, we are getting S is equal to 4,000. See, once more you have to check this one. Here C is given. C is given means that is C dash plus by. Okay, C dash plus by is given. But we need minus C dash plus, for saving I am saying, for saving equation we need minus C dash plus 1 minus by. So from the consumption equation we can take, consumption equation is 400 plus 0.9y, right? So from here we can make one saving equation. This is C dash, so minus C dash is this one. Then what is there? Minus C dash plus 1 minus by. 1 minus by we need, that is MPS. So 1 minus B means 0.1y. Okay. Understood? Then substitute income value, we are getting saving is equal to 4,000. So from consumption equation we are getting saving equation. Consumption equation, this is C dash, but saving equation we need minus C dash. Clear? Then plus by, this is B, but here we need 1 minus B. Okay, that's why 0.1 comes. Okay, then you have any doubt we can discuss. Hello? Hello, Aurora? Hello? See, numeric, next slide I am giving some homework, okay, that you can practice. See, now you understood now how we can do the numerical? See, from the question we have to take out the formula. Okay, anyway, we have some formulas, but we don't know which formula we have to use. That depends upon the question. Okay. Okay. Then, hello, Alina. Yes, that numerical part is easy, I think, right? Hello, Alina. You are getting now how to do? Yes. Okay, thank you. Next. Hello, Amal. Yes, how is this numerical? Okay, thank you. Next, Amal Krishna. How is this numerical? How is this numerical? Hello, Amal. You should do. Then who will do? I will do. You should do. I am asking, you understood, you get the idea. How I use this formula like that and all you got. That I am asking. You should do more practice, then only you will get. That questions I will send, okay? Okay, saving function, consumption function. If they are giving consumption function, from there we can make saving function also. Okay, that you understood? Okay, only that much. Okay, thank you.